Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you're going to see a very small Fashion Nova Curve haul and try on. I did order a few pieces, but I got an email saying that one or two of my pieces had went out of stock, so they couldn't send them. So it will literally be only two pieces, but I'm curious to see how Fashion Nova Curve fits my body, if at all. If it doesn't fit, it's not their fault. I knew that they only go up to, 3X, 4X. I purchased anyway in hopes of maybe it might be really stretchy, as I've seen a few pieces that are really stretchy, and I really want some Fashion Nova Curve. So we're going to open the two items that I did get. I really hope they fit, but if they don't, it is totally my fault. Ooh, in the package I got this, and it is very pretty. I'll be going through that later. Got my packing slip and a little card that says Fashion Nova and how to return. That's very informative. Okay. The first item is a dress. It is black and white striped. It is a size 3X, which is very questionable if it'll fit or not, but again, it's not their fault if it doesn't. Oh, it's really pretty. Just a striped dress with buttons down the front, like that. And it has spaghetti straps. I really like the way it looked on the side, but in all honesty, it's very little and it's very questionable if it will fit, but we're going to try it. We're going to keep the hope alive, you guys. My next and final item is I'm going to say lavender colored shirt. Oh no, I don't think this one's gonna work at all. It's not stretchy. I thought it was stretchy from the side. Maybe, but maybe not. This is very beautiful though. Look at that. Spaghetti straps and the little straps on the front. I really don't think it's going to fit, but I'm going to try it anyway for you guys. In the front, it flows really nicely. It has like a drape across the stomach. So let's get to trying these on. I really don't think they're going to fit, but let's keep the hope alive, okay? Be back in a minute. Alright, you guys, actually it really does fit. It's a little snug, but could make it work. I really like the way this is at the bust. Like the way it looks at the back. It's longer in the back, but my ample booty is pushing it upwards. And this is the way it's supposed to look in the front. Let me angle you guys down a little bit. It's supposed to look like that in the front. So yeah, it does fit. 3X. The back, as I said, is longer, but my booty is holding it. So I think I have it right. Ooh, I love this, you guys. It's so pretty. I loved the way that they had this styled on the side as well. It was so, so pretty. They didn't have the color I originally wanted, but this one is very, very nice. Alright, you guys, I got the dress on. It's like really snug, but it's really comfortable because it's really, really stretchy. I'm going to angle you guys down in just a second so you can see the bottom of the dress. I love it. And the length is kind of short in this area for me, as my belly does droop and hang quite a bit. So I have a feeling that it's kind of skewing what the dress is supposed to look like. So even if I can't wear it out in public, it'd be a nice wear around the house type dress. The buttons are not a true button, so it's sewed together. Had it not been sewed together like this, it would be a no-go because these buttons would be straining. But because it is all sewed together, it looks great. I love it. Okay, I'm going to angle you guys down so you can kind of see the bottom. This is a beautiful dress. Very, very beautiful. Again, I think my big booty and my droopy big belly is skewing what the dress is supposed to look like. But I'm not hating it. I definitely will wear it around the house. Let me see if I can get you down further to show you what I'm talking about. No, I hate trying to film in here. Right here. I think my belly comes down too much, so I probably won't be able to wear it in public. See how that's doing. But it is so pretty. Like, I may be able to wear like Spanx or something and bring my belly up a bit and wear it in public. I just have socks on right now. I'm not hating it. I can move really well in it. I love Fashion Nova Curve. Yeah, I think my belly's kind of skewing it right there. But I'm definitely not hating this dress. It's very, very, very comfy. The little straps. Ooh. Oh, I love it so much. 2 thumbs up for Fashion Nova Curve. I do believe that they are very generous in their sizing. I was afraid it would be the opposite, that they would be too small, but really, you guys, 3X. This is fitting a 5X, 6X person. So I would say their sizing is very generous. So yeah, I only gave like $21 shipping and all for these 2 pieces. I had a very good coupon code. Their shipping was very, very fast. Very fast. And I would order from them again, and I will order from them again because I'm addicted now. You guys, if you haven't ever checked out Fashion Nova Curve, please go do so. Thank you guys all for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And please hit the notification bell so that you will know every time I upload. Thank you guys all for the support on my videos. You don't know how much I appreciate it. Love you guys, and see you in my next one.